Today I'm going to be teaching you about coordinate planes and how to graph coordinate points. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so here we have two lines. The vertical line is the y-axis. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight this line. This is called the y-axis. And then we have our second line, which is a horizontal line, and this is called the x-axis. And the point where both lines meet and intersect is right here, and that is called the origin. The origin is always going to be the coordinate points 0, 0, as you see right here. And so today we are going to go ahead and review how to find your coordinate points, because I know many of you are receiving this for homework. So we have the points A, B, and C. So A, B, and C. So first what we want to do is we always start from the origin, okay? Then we go to the right and we see that this is 1. And then we go up and this is 1. So the way we would write it is open parenthesis 1, comma 1. So this means when we wrote it, this is what x is, comma, and then what y is. So x is 1, and then if we go up, y is 1. Okay, so let's go ahead and do another one together. So let me erase this. And we said this one was 1, 1. So I'm going to put that back. Okay, the next one is B. So we are going to start at the origin again. We're going to go to the right. And it looks like the point is on 2. So x is 2. We're going to go down till we get to the letter B. And so we went down 2 spaces. You see that that's a -2. So this is going to be, x goes first, remember. So open parenthesis, 2, comma, -2, close parenthesis. All right, and now we're off to letter C. So again, we're going to start at the origin, and we are going to travel all the way till we get to where the x coordinate is, and it's on -2. We go up, and that's +1. Okay, so that is going to be, coordinates are -2 and +1, close parentheses. And that is it, geniuses. Good job! So we did those 3 together. We found those 3 coordinate points. So now I'm going to leave it to you and go ahead and graph this new point. And then let me know what your coordinates are. In the comments below, let me know what coordinates this one is, okay? So this one is going to be right here. Can you let me know what the coordinates are for letter D? All right, geniuses, thank you so much for watching, and keep it genius.